Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious carne asada. First, let's talk about the marinade, which is absolutely key for tender and flavorful meat. You'll want to combine fresh orange juice, lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, and a blend of spices like cumin and chili powder. Don't forget some fresh cilantro. Marinate your chosen steak for a minimum of 2 hours, but for the best results, let it soak up all those wonderful flavors overnight in the refrigerator. Now, let's choose the perfect cut of meat. Skirt steak or flank steak are traditionally the best options for carne asada due to their rich flavor and texture. Before marinating, take a moment to trim any large pieces of excess fat from the steak. This helps ensure more even cooking. If your steak has thicker sections, you can gently pound them to achieve a uniform thickness of about 1/2 inch, which promotes consistent doneness across the entire piece. Once your steak is beautifully marinated, it's time to hit the grill. Make sure your grill is preheated to a high temperature to achieve that perfect, flavorful sear. Cook the steak for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare, aiming for an internal temperature of around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, don't rush this part. After grilling, let the meat rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender bite. The final step is crucial for enjoying your perfectly cooked carne asada. Always slice the meat against the grain into thin strips. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making every bite incredibly tender and easy to chew. Thin slices are versatile, perfect for filling tacos, burritos, or simply enjoying as a flavorful main course. Serve your delicious carne asada with your favorite accompaniments, such as fresh pico de gallo, creamy guacamole, and warm corn or flour tortillas for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.